Today we're going to test out cross-chain swaps in Phantom Wallet with Claynosaurz Popkins mint happening today on SWI. This is going to be the biggest mint probably in SWI history. I'll show you how easy it is to bridge over assets from Ethereum base or Solana right in your Phantom Wallet so that you can take advantage of the Popkins mint. Or if you're watching this at a later date, you can explore other SWI ecosystem NFTs as well as all of the SWI ecosystem utility tokens, meme coins, and DeFi opportunities. Before I begin, please note nothing I say is financial advice. Is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So let's jump into it. Phantom Wallet makes it super easy to do cross-chain swaps. In this example, I have some Solana in this wallet and I want to bridge it over to SWI, specifically SWI USDC, because in this example, if I wanted to partake in the Popkins mint, you're going to need USDC on SWI to mint Popkins. So let's run through an example of how easy it is to do with Phantom Wallet. So I have Solana, I need USDC on SWI. I'm going to go ahead and click on swap. I'll just say 50%. Then I'm going to select SWI and you can see super simple. I could either swap it straight to SWI or USDC on SWI. You can see the SWI symbol right here, so you know it's minted on SWI. That's what we need for the mint. So again, now we're swapping Solana to USDC on SWI. So this is cross-chain right in the wallet. We're going to say swap now. Swap that quickly. If we take a look at recent activity, you'll see bridge initiated. Let's click on that. The status says that it succeeded. Let's close this. Let's go back to home. And you can see we now have $6.05 of USDC on SWI. Again, the SWI symbol here, if we click on this, see here's our balance of USDC, and if you look at the network, it's on SWI. So it's that easy to make cross-chain swaps in Phantom Wallet. Again, if you're looking to explore the SWI ecosystem and you're already active on Solana or Ethereum or Base, Phantom Wallet is what I would recommend to get started exploring the SWI ecosystem. Again, whether it's tokens or NFTs on Tradeport. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.